Look, when I say logs, what exactly is log? There's nothing to worry about it. It's nothing but indices. Nothing but indices. पहले confident हो जाओ, ये कोई higher algebra का topic नहीं है. Now, what exactly is log? Simple you understand is log x to the base y is equal to z. So what all it means is y raised to z is equal to x. Log x to the base y z, so simply it means from childhood itself, when I had a doubt, I always remembered log 100 to the base 10 is 2. याद रखने को easy हो जाता है, 10 square is 100. For bigger huge numbers calculation log was invented, and now so जैसे indices के properties है वैसे ही log के. Tell your brain nothing difficult. So log, if I tell you log to the base 10 1000, you all know answer is 3. अब ऐसी property बना लो, log to the base 10 100 plus log to the base 10 10, what do you get? This is 2, this is 1, what do you get? 3. So क्या property बनी? You only tell me the property, what all we get. So same answer we get. So property is nothing but what? Log to the base x, a into b is nothing but log to the base x a plus log to the base x b. With everything proof, like that's what is more important, like this is the property, what all we know. Now, so let's say if I ask you log to the base 10, if I ask you 100, answer is 2, right? So now, let's say if I ask you log to the base 10 100, what all we get here is 2. अब पहले ने क्या सीखा है यहाँ पे, log a into b is this thing. So now if I tell you same thing 1000 upon 10, that's what is the log to the base 10 1000 minus log to the base 10 10. 3 minus 1, answer is what? 2. Check it, 1000 upon this. So what all we get? So property is nothing but, you all know very well the property is going to be log to the base x. A by b is nothing but log to the base x a minus log to the base x b. Look, properties are outcome of a concept. So concept समझ के लो log क्या है, and it's simple indices question. Look, we all know is anything raised to 0 is 1 and anything raised to 1 is the same thing. So how the properties work out here is log a to the base a will always be 1. Like for example, log 10 to the base 10 is going to be 1. Very true. And log of 1, anything, base can be anything. Obviously we know log to the base 10 1, obviously answer will be this thing. So ये certain properties, what all you need to know. बहुत सारे fundamental facts है और कुछ नहीं है. So now furthermore, what we know is log to the 10 to the base 100. Sorry, log 100 to the base 10. We know obviously 10 square is 100. That's how it works out. And if someone asks us log to the base 110, what all will come? So let's check out here. That will be 1 by 2. Simply because the reason is being, we'll give you one more extra property later on, but first understand log a to the base b, or log, let's continue with the same format, log a to the base b is nothing but 1 upon log a to the base b, or what all this property means. This property nothing but it means simply basis कुछ भी होने दो, log a into log b basis change, this product is always equal to 1. Simply log 2 base 2 4 and log to the base 4 2, this will be always 1, this will be 2, this will be 1 by 2, answer will be 1. Fundamental property. Furthermore, let's quickly check out log x or log to the base x a raised to n, nothing but we have already seen this is nothing but n log x to the base a. Simply we have already seen, but again we did 2 raised to 5. This answer is going to be nothing but 2 5 this thing, so it will come out 5. Now furthermore, application of the same property, what all we can see, let's quickly check out. Log base x raised to y a raised to b, this is nothing but b upon y log to the base x a. Base is x raised to y, number is this thing, this is the base, this is the number, so property says what all it says. If I want log 3 raised to base 7, 3 raised to 7, and number is going to be here 9 raised to 5, so answer will be 5 by 7 log to the base 3 9, और ये आगे अपने को पता रहेगा 9 is nothing but 3 square, so what is it, 2. Properties, logs, once the properties are done, nothing else needs to be done. Look, simply what we know is log a to the base x, base change करने का theorem है, we call it as base change theorem. New base का log उसका निकालो and same thing. What all I mean out of it? Let's say someone asks us log to the base 32. We don't know direct power, so what do we do is log to the base 2 32 upon log to the base 2. So what we'll get? 2 raised to 5 32. So answer will come. Look, base change theorem, what all value is there, same thing to other base divided by this thing. What all I explained, this is the proof for the property, or you can say example which proves the property. Now the same property can use other way around. Log to the base ax is nothing but log to the base bx into the log a वापस से b1, and the same thing, because we know very well 1 by का thing. Let's check it. The same thing I'll prove. Log 2 to the base 32 into log 4 to the base 2 4. So this will be 5 and this will be 1 by 2. Answer वही आ जाएगा. Property what all we know. Look, property concepts के साथ चलेगी, so पहले उसे ध्यान दो. Lastly, if I ask you 10 raised to log 10 this thing, what we know is log of 10 this thing is nothing but 2, so this value we will get it as 10 square, which is nothing but 100. Property is x log x, let's say we talk of y, so answer comes out nothing but is y. 10 to the base this thing raised to this thing, simply x raised to log to the base x y. This is what is the property all about. Look, simply we can write it as log 2 to the base 2 by 3 plus log, this can be written as 2 square, we can write it, and this can be written as 3 by 2 bracket square. Look, it's all about knowing the properties, nothing else, and this will be nothing but 2 by 2 log to the base 2 3 by 2. Property क्या है, जल्दी से देख लो. Property is log a to the base b x raised to y is nothing but y upon b log to the base ax. So that's what we applied here and we got this. Now furthermore, what all we can do here, log to the base 2 by 3 into 3 by 2. What's the property now here? Obviously the property is log to the base a x into y is nothing but log to the base ax plus log to the base a y. Standard property. So now solving it, what all we get here, 3 by 2 2 by 2 log to the base 2 we want 1, and we all know log to the base 2 1. So what we know is answer should be what all? Yes, 2 raised to 0 is 1, so this answer will be what? 0. Answer is 0. Simple properties का game है, nothing else we know. So basic properties were there and that's what we worked out. Let's say we are asked to find out log to the base 8 128. Look, what you need to do is, this is 2 ka power, this is 2 ka power. So let's say go ahead with that. Log to the base 2 cube, and this is nothing but 2 raised to 7. Again the same property we have seen, 7 by 3 log 2 to the base 2. So answer 7 by 3. Basic property for this, again I repeat, log AB xy, this is nothing but is equal to what? Y upon B log AX. That's what we know. This is nothing but, this is the property. Now applying that, and we all know very well that log to the base xx, obviously it's 1. So log to the base 2 2, answer is 1. Answer we get 7 by 3. Look, we know 8 square is 64, obviously. So log to the base 864 is going to be nothing but 2. So this value comes out to be 2 log 5. Now what else we know is, this is nothing but, chalo ऐसे लिख लेते हैं, 4 is 2 square 2. So based on the property 1 by 2 log to the base 2 2 is nothing but log to the base 5. Look, we know this value comes out to 2 square 2. So based on the property 1 by 2, ये power नीचे आ गया, log to the base 2 2. So now log to the base 2 2, this value is 1. So what we get, 1 by 2 is equal to log to the base 5 this. So simply 5 raised to 1 by 2 is nothing but x. 5 raised to 1 by 2. So x ka value is nothing but 5 raised to 1 by 2 root 5. X value root 5. Look, we very well know the property log to a plus log b is nothing but log ab. Very well known fact. So log to the base 10, x into 5 we get 2. Now we know 10 square is 100. So obviously x into 5 should be what? 10 square, that is 100. So x value will be 20. X value should be 20. Look, we know log to the base 8 8, this is 1. So now log to the base 3 5 plus x, this value equal to 4. So log to the base 3 5 plus x is nothing but 3. We know 3 cube is nothing but 27. So 5 plus x should be 27. So x value is nothing but 22. 2 raised to 2 4. 8 to the base 8 1 obviously. So now this value becomes 3. We know base 3 cube is 27, so ये value 27, x का value is nothing but 22. That's what we get. Look, we very well know the properties log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is nothing but log ab. Very well we know. So log x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 5, this is nothing but log 35. Now 35 we know is 5 into 7. Guesswork ही बोल देता है x का value 2, it satisfies the equation. Guesswork only will give log this into this, log 35 nothing but this thing. So x का value 2, ये guesswork is easier. ये करना था तो log to the base x plus 3 into x plus 5 is nothing but log 35. So x square plus 8x plus 15 is equal to 35. That's what we know very well. So x square plus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. So what we get, 20 is 10 twos are. So x square plus 10x minus 2x minus 20. So it gives us x value is 2. ये पूरा सॉल्व करके जो आएगा x का वैल्यू 2. स्मार्ट वर्क डेफिनेटली सेड नथिंग बट व्हाट, ट्राई करके देख लो, आंसर यू वुड हैव गॉट 2. Look what all we get here. Log to the base 8 8 1. So this part comes out this thing, and this I can write it as 2 log root 8. और ये root 8 का स्क्वायर ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. So 8 upon simply 2 into 2 log to the base root 8 into root 8. So obviously this value will be 1. So what I can say here is 8 upon 4, 8 upon 4, final answer. Look, log a to the base a is 1. So ये सिर्फ बच गया 8 यहाँ पे. Root 8 है तो 8 can be written as root 8 का square. So now this 2 comes this side, 2 into 2 fundamental property है अपने पास में. कौन सी property है? Log a raised to b is nothing but b log a. Fundamental property अपने पास में है. So now log root a base, so it comes out 1, 8 by 4, answer is nothing but 2. We're just revisiting the properties, so let's check out. Log to the base a b is nothing but 1 upon log to the base b a. So based on that, what all we know is log to the base ab into log ba, this product is nothing but 1. This is the property. This is nothing but this. So this product is always 1. And second property, it's known to us. It's known very well to us. Log a raised to b, x raised to y, y upon b, log to the base a. Log base is a raised to b, number is x raised to y. So y comes here, b comes down. So now let's apply these two properties and to solve the question. So I can write it as 3, 5, this 4 upon 2. I can do it. And this I can do it log to the base 5, 3, 4 by 2. Right? So now 4 by 2, 2 into log 3, base 3 and number is 5, 2, log 5 and this thing. So what all we know is 4 into log to the base 3, 5 and log to the base 5, 3. So this product 5 to the base 3, 3 to the base 5, this product by the property is going to be 1. So answer is nothing but 4. Answer is going to be 4. So ये 4 by 2 बाहर आ गया, log 5 to the base 3, ये 4 by 2 बाहर आ गया, log 5 to the base, 3 to the base 5, 2 into 2, 4, and this property we know very well, answer will be 4. Look, what we know is 3 cube equal to 27, 2 square is nothing but 4, and 5 square is nothing but. So log to the 3 raised to 3 is 27, so this value will come 3. 2 square, 2 raised to 2 is 4, so this value will come 2. And 5 square, 5 raised to 2 is 25, so minus 2. Answer will be 3. 3 cube 27, so this answer comes 3. 2 square is 4, so this answer comes 2. 5 square 25, so this comes 2. Answer will be 3. Look, if you look at these numbers, ये सारे powers of 3 है. So let's try to break it. Base is nothing but this 3 square and this is 3 cube. And this base is nothing but 3 cube and this value 3 square. So based on this property we know very well, 3 by 2 log to the base 3, 3 minus this nothing but 2 by 3 log to the base 3, 3. Log a to the base a 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3, ये भी 1. So answer is nothing but 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3, 5 by 6. Property ये 3 by 2 बाहर आ गया. Log a to the base a 1. So this value. So yes, final answer is nothing but 5 by 6. Obviously, like सबका base 2 बना देंगे 2. This can be written as 2 square. Base is 2 square, and this is nothing but 2 raised to 4, 21 by 4. So this log to the base 2x. This is 1 by 2 property अपने को पता है, ये 1 by 2 log to the base 2x, and this 1 by 4 it will come out log to the base 2x, 21 by 4. Standard properties known to us. So now what we get here is log to the base 2x into bracket 1 plus 1 by 4 plus what? 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So what it comes out is nothing but is equal to 21 by 4 21 by 4. So this is nothing but 7 by 4 log to the base 2x, 21 by 4. Cancelled, 7 3s are. Log 2x is nothing but 3. Let's quickly check out what all we did. Base 2, base 4, base 16. So 2 square or 2 raised to 4. X to hai. So now this 2 comes out 1 by 2, this thing 1 by 4. So log to the base 2x, ये तो common हो गया something. So let's try to solve it here. So this 7 by 4 log to the base 2x, 21 by 4, 4 cancel this, and we know very well 2 cube is nothing but 8. So x value is 8. X value will be 8. Let's say we call log x as y. So what all we get here is 2y square minus y minus 3 is 0. Now how we solve it is, we all know minus b, so minus of minus 1 plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac, 4a का वैल्यू 2c अपॉन 2a क्या आएगा 2 इंटू 2. ये अपन ने कुछ नहीं लिखा है, माइनस b प्लस माइनस b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a, रूट निकालने का फॉर्मूला है. सो y वैल्यू, सो व्हाट ऑल वी गेट, y वैल्यू इज नथिंग बट, ये सॉल्व करें माइनस माइनस प्लस, प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ 1, सो 1 plus 24 upon 4, so that is 1 plus or minus under root of 25 upon 4. So what all we get here is nothing but 1 plus 5 upon 4 or 1 minus 5 upon 4. So this is 3 by 2 or minus 1. Let's quickly check out here what we wanted. 2 log x bracket square, 2 log this thing, log x 3. Let's say I represent log x as y. So quadratic equation solve कर रहे हैं, माइनस b प्लस माइनस b स्क्वायर अपॉन 4ac, ऐसे ही रूट निकल है. So that's what we are trying to find out here. So x value we get either 3 by 2 or we get minus 1. That's what we solved and we got the answer. Now, so what we know is this is log x, y is nothing but log x, y is log x, which is equal to 3 by 2 or minus 1. Means either we know log x is 3 by 2 or log x, means obviously by default base is 10 equal to minus 1. So x is 10 raised to 3 by 2 or 10 raised to minus 1. So what all we get? Either 10 root 10 or 1 by 10. Either 10 root 10 or 1 by 10. What all we get? Look, what all we know here is log to the base 10x. प्रॉपर्टी ही है अपने पास में, जस्ट क्विकली देख लो प्रॉपर्टी क्या है. बार बार कर रहे हैं, a raised to b, बेस है x raised to y. So what all we get here is y upon b log to the base ax. अगर ऐसे है log base is a raised to b x, so what we'll get 1 upon b log base a to the base this thing x. Now, so ये अपन लिख सकते हैं log 10 raised to 1 by 2, base is this thing, 10 square, 100 is 10 square raised to 2 by 3, ये base हो गया x. So what all we know now, log to the base 10x, 1 upon 1 by 2 ये बाहर निकाल लिया है, log to the base 10x, 1 upon 2 by 3 log to the base 10x, 27, log to the base 10x, 1 upon 1 by 2, 2 log to the base 10x, 3 by 2 log to the base 10x. I repeat, root 10 means 10 raised to 1 by 2, ये बाहर आ जाता है here. 100 is 10 square, third root of that 10 raised to 2 by 3, ये बाहर आ जाएगा 1 upon 2 by 3. 1 upon 1 by 2 it's 2, log to the base this thing, this and 3 by 2 this thing. So now what all we know here is, let's quickly check out. Log to the base 10x common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 2 equal to 27. So 9 by 2 log to the base 10x equal to 27. That's what we get. ये solve करके देख लो. Now what all we know is 9 by 2 we have got 9 by 2 log to the base 10x equal to 27. So log to the base 10x, 27 into 2 upon 9, log to the base 10x is nothing but 6. So x value is going to be 10 raised to 6. X value 10 raised to 6. Look, what we know is 2 cube is 8. So when I say square root of 8, 2 cube ka square root, so that is nothing but 2 raised to 3 by 2. So log 2 raised to 3 by 2, this is the base. X is nothing but 10 by 3, simplified 3 1 by 3. So solve करते वही प्रॉपर्टी चल रही है, 1 upon 3 by 2 log to the base 2x is nothing but 10 by 3. So if I simplify it, simple properties चल रही है और कुछ नहीं. 2 by 3 log to the base 2x is nothing but 10 by 3. So I will be getting log 2 base x 10 by 3 into 3 by 2. So what we get solving it, nothing but ये इधर लिख दिया, सीधा सीधा कैंसिल हो गया, 3 कैंसिल हो गया, और you can say to this 5. So anyways what we know is log to the base 2x is 5. So x value is nothing but 2 raised to 5, that is 32. What all we saw here? Root 8 is nothing but 2 raised to 3 by 2. 3 1 by 3 is nothing but 10 by 3. 2 raised to 3 by 2, this is the base. ये अपने प्रॉपर्टी देखी हुई, 1 upon this 3 by 2 came out. 1 upon 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 3. So solve it, nothing else is there. Simply x is 2 raised to 5, that is 32. Look, what we know is very well, infinity minus 1 is also infinity. So let's say I define root 7 multiplied infinite times is equal to x. So even if I take out 1 root 7, ये remaining वापस से x हो जाएगा, एक निकाल भी लिया. So this is nothing, that's how we solve modern maths. Square both the sides, 7x equal to x square. So x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Even in case of x equal to 0, it can also be there. Look, we define under root 7 infinite times x. एक बार निकाल भी लिया तो remaining also infinite times का addition, these infinite का multiplication will be x, which is equal to x. Square the sides, x equal to 7 or x equal to 0. So now what all we know is log to the base 7, what we got, this value just now we have got under root x, under root 7 solve करके is equal to what we know is 7 or this thing. So now 7 ही आ सकता है, 0 तो आ नहीं सकता है, is equal to what we know is very well 7 raised to 1 is 7. So answer is nothing but what? 1. Look, once again, like my main stress is that you keep on mugging up the properties. That's why again and again, base a by b, number x by y, x raised to y, y upon b, log to the base a x, and log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is nothing but log a into b. Log a minus log b is nothing but log a upon b. बस ये properties है और कुछ नहीं है. So I can write this as 25 raised to this 1 by 2 minus log to the base 10, this 3, this goes square, and log to the base 10, 18. Look, ये 1 by 2 इधर raised to हो जाएगा, same property. This 2 इधर raised to हो जाएगा. Now what all we know is log to the base 10, 25 raised to 1 by 2, 5. Log 10 raised to 3 by 2, nothing but what, 9. This happened 5. And more log 10, 18. Simple property. This is nothing but log 10, 5 divided by 9 into 18. So nothing but log 90 upon 9, log to the base 10, 10. Obviously answer is 1. Log 90 upon 9, log a minus b plus c, so a into c, this thing, answer is 1. Look, we have a property called as base change property, log to the base mn. अगर इसको कोई भी दूसरे बेस को निकालना है, let's say log to the base x, पहले इसका and same base का, then again we do this thing. So now what all we can write it as, let's say log to the base 10 कर देंगे या कुछ भी कर देंगे, the same thing we can write it as base I have changed, so this thing. Now this I can write it as log a into b, अपने को पता है log a plus log b upon log. So if I solve it, 1 plus log b upon log a. That's what we know very well. Now, but this value is nothing but x. So if I have to go, so log b upon log a, this value I solve it, I get x minus 1. X minus 1. If I make it ulta here, what all I get here is log a upon log b is equal to nothing but 1 upon x minus 1. Quickly check it. Up till now what all we did, ये एक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ दिस इज गिवन, दिस इज इक्वल टू नथिंग बट x. ये प्रॉपर्टी है बेस चेंज प्रॉपर्टी. सो बेस चेंज कर दिया मीन्स 10 का बेस, लेट्स से. सो नाउ वी सॉल्व दिस थिंग. सो अप टिल नाउ वी हैव गॉट log a upon log b is nothing but 1 upon x minus 1. Now पूछा क्या है, we have been asked log to the base b ab, that's what we need. So what we can write it, log ab upon log b, that's what we know very well. So this can be written as log a, obviously log a plus log b upon log b. So we get log a upon log b plus log b upon log b 1, and we already know अभी अपने आंसर निकला है. what all we found out is log a upon b is nothing but 1 upon x minus 1. So what all we get here is 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1. So let's quickly check out here what all we get. 1 plus x minus 1 upon x minus 1. So answer comes out x upon x minus 1. क्योंकि पूरा थ्योरेटिकल आंसर हो गया. अपने पास स्मार्ट वर्क था, डेफिनेट स्मार्ट वर्क था, वो अपन देखते हैं. The best approach you can have in any competitive exam is trial error or assumption. Let's say I take a as 10, कोई रूल नहीं था, कुछ भी ले सकते थे. तो log to the base 10, 10 into 100 is equal to x. So it's nothing but log to the base 10, 1000. We know 10 cube is 1000, so x का value 3. So we would have got x value as 3. मैं ट्रायल में अजम ये स्मार्ट वर्क रहता है और ऐसे ही कैट वगैरह एग्जाम में करना चाहिए. x value I get 3. Now what is asked is I have taken a as 10 and b as 100, log to the base b ab. So अब log to the base 10, अब 10 नहीं होगा, b 100 लिया है, 10 into 100. So what we know very well is now this value will come, ये आंसर आ जाएगा log to the base 100,000. So if I solve it, log to the base 10 square, और ये 1000 is 10 cube. So this is nothing but is going to be 3 by 2 log to the base 10 10. So it comes out nothing but what, 3 by 2. ये आंसर आ गया 3 by 2 और अपना x का वैल्यू क्या है भाई 3. सो अब कौन सा आंसर ऑप्शन इसको मैच करेगा. अपना आंसर आया है अभी 3 by 2, ये आंसर आया है log to the base b ab का, और अपना x का वैल्यू earlier we got was 3. x वैल्यू, सो व्हाट वी गेट, आंसर ऑप्शन चेक करो, x upon we want x upon x minus 1, that's what satisfies this thing. So answer is nothing but x upon x. This is the best way while you solve competitive exam questions.